Good morning, ka blessed. This is it. Bihis na ako. Excited lang.
Dressed up too.
Si Daddy, nagbihis na.
Dressed up.
Magsha-short lang daw siya ng Pilipinas.
Short for 10 years. Oh. Yeah, I'm all good.
Sana all. Kita akong bahay, gwapo pa din. Still pogi even wearing old clothes. I'm wearing new clothes but nothing changed. Taga-bukid pa din.
Still looks good.
Kape tayo. Grabe, wala ang tulugan. Alas 2:45 nagising ako, hindi na ako makatulog. So, alas 5 bumahon na lang talaga ako. At nagbihis ako, nagplansa ako ng buhok ko. O, diba? Wow. Oh, wow. May na lang. Hindi sa wavy. Ay, hindi wavy. Wavy na lang. This is funny.
Too short to go yet.
The baby hair. Can you imagine I still have baby hair? Here too.
You've always grown new hair.
Ay, naku naman.
Good morning.
Naka-off pala kayo. Kagabi pala nalagay na ako ng kuko ko. Ayan. Si Moana mas funny. Kasi yung mga pinakamaliliit, tinatry niya maglagay. Naglalagay din siya ng sticker. Yung sticky tape. May pandikit niya. Hindi niya magawa-gawa. Nakagawa sa dalawa. Dito sa dyan. Kawawa tingnan. Ayaw kasi dumikit sa kanya ang press-on na sticker. Kasi nga yung kuko niya ang liit-liit. And then, basa. Ito, naubos na kagabi. She finished everything. Naubos niya. Kaya man, dalawang ganito yan eh. Na ilan naman ang nagagamit ko. Diyan na nag-ubos. Diba? Maganda ba? Mana lang. Pag check-in natin, maganda yung ating kuko. Bakit ako naglagay nito? Pagkakataon ko na mag-stay siya ng matagal. Hotel na Pilipinas, hindi mo na ako maghuhugas ng plato. I'm not gonna wash dishes in the Philippines. That's why I put this press-on nails. Yay! Oh, diba? Madam sa tayo pag-uwi ng Pilipinas. Pagbalik dito, katulog pa rin. So, mamayang alas 9, ang larga natin, ka-blessed. Ayusin ko pa yung pantalon ko. Hindi ko matupi-tupi na maayos. Kasi gawa nitong kuko ko. Kaloka. Ang ating Moana is tulog pa. Malinis din ating lababo pa eh. Ready na, ka-blessed. Isasakay na yan ni Amang sa car. All good. Naghintay siya. Sorry. You need hand? Ready na kami! All dressed up! Yay!
I look so good today.
Yes! So pretty. So pretty yan. Look, oh. Silly girl. Silly girl. Time check. 8:30. Good morning again, ka-blessed. Yan. Punta na tayo. Time check 8:30. Napaaga na kami ng bihis, so let's go and driving na lang. Because we're gonna have a stopover for some food. Kasi hindi kami nag-breakfast sa bahay. So doon na lang. Yay!
Where's our stuff?
It's at the back.
What stuff is in the back?
Nahanap na yung mga baggage
Where's
natin.
the trolley?
It's at the back.
It's in the back.
The door's still locked.
So, thank you, Lord. This is the day
This is the day.
that the Lord has
Nobody
made.
here. There's
This
nobody
is the
there.
day. Sing mo na. This is the day. This is the day that the Lord has made. That the Lord has made. Yay!
I'm just looking at the house.
Who's looking at the house? Jesus. We are here na, ka-blessed. Over the boundary na tayo. Kasi naiba na yung road. Wala na tayo doon sa ilalim ng bridge. Nasa ibabaw na tayo ng bridge. Look at that. It's a wow. Wow. Sa taas na tayo. Yeah, yan ang boundary, oh. Kita niyo ba? Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Sagot to. We are here, ka-blessed, sa ating first stop. Magkakape muna tayo. And stretching. Push! You push. Push the red button.
I can't press.
You can press. Yay! Ah. Let's go inside. Bata natin, stretching muna. Lagay ako ng sugar. Iba talaga kape nila dito. Finish na. Okay, we are on the move again, mga ka-blessed. Ang bata natin ng kanyang sausage roll binaon na. Hindi niya maubos-ubos to kasi naglalaro eh. This car is backing up. Please stay away. Nasa lansan na natin, ka-blessed. Naligay ko na sa trolley. Ang init, grabe na ganito ako, oh. Ako na talaga.
Back.
Ako na talaga.
Mommy, I'm back.
Ang bata natin. Si Daddy, pinark pa niya ang car doon sa long term parking. Mga 15 minutes pa yun bago siya makabalik. Wow, 36 degrees. Just kaganito ako. Yay! Hello, Kasya. Don't cry. Daddy will come back. We are now sa airport, mga ka-blessed.
Up.
There's a board there that's going to tell us everything we want to know.
Mom, is it going to up?
No. Yeah, after how many years?
Because I want to know my KFC.
Yay!
I want my friends.
Kami 2 years. Siya 3 years. Oh, diba? So, see you Philippines tomorrow morning. Ayan si Daddy, oh. Nag-check-in sa Chaos machine. Online check-in.
The chaos machine.
Sa Chaos machine.
So, we have 13.
Nagkaibigan na si Moana. Si Ulang. Moana.
Thank you.
No.
So, nasa boarding area na tayo, ka-blessed.
Passengers are reminded to report suspicious
Time check,
items and behavior
2:35.
and to comply with all directions from security
Ay, hindi pala, mali. 3:35 na pala.
bags unattended.
Kalog.
Your safety and security is the highest priority.
Na-excited lang. So, 5 past ang ating flight. So, all good.
It should be there.
Oh, we can put the card in if you want.
Oh, yeah.
Meaningful sa amin ang flight na to kasi ito yung first flight namin na magkakasama kaming tatlo.
That's the
So,
car.
ayan, yehey. After 4 years.
Go ahead and go.
Moana happy. Tingnan mo sino ang kasama namin. O, diba? Makikita mo na ang Pilipinas. Dali! ang bango-bango. Diyos ko Lord, ang presyo mabango din. Ang bango nga ng Chloe, grabe. Super.
Your attention please, ladies and gentlemen. Singapore Airlines Flight HQ.
Nakabudo lang bata natin.
Your attention, ladies and gentlemen. Jetstar
Oh.
Flight JQ116 to Bali is inviting.
Yan ang mga ka-blessed. All Moana's luggage na sa akin. Galing-galing magbit-bit. Si Moana wants to have a free hand. Oh my God. It's not working. Maybe later, okay? Happy travel. Let's go. I should sit there pala sa if I go like this. Yan na yung decoration nila. Christmas decor.
We wish you a pleasant flight.
Yan, we are moving na. Mga ka-blessed.
As we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey through Singapore.
2:08. So, ayan. Bata natin. It's dinner time. So, 2 hours and 36 minutes. Nandito na tayo sa Singapore Airport. Madilim na. Pasok masyado. At so, by turbulence tayo ka-blessed. Magtatagal siya ng 5 minutes. So, behave lang muna tayo. Toilet dito po. So, ingay na mga bata. We are now here at Singapore Singapore Airport. Travel later tayo. And travel later.